Salutations! Welcome to another AshuCodeZ video. Today we are going to be making a calculator, but not any type of calculator. It's going to be a multi-purpose calculator. A multi-purpose calculator is a calculator that has multiple purposes, hence the name. Today's calculator will have the purpose of converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, pounds to kilograms, liters to gallons, meters to feet, and kilometers to miles. We'll be using many varieties of code blocks to make this multi-purpose calculator happen. And that is what we're going to be doing today. Let us start. So let's go into App Lab. And then let's rename. Okay. Now let's name this screen Homescreen. Or we can just name it Home. And let's just make some screens. This one should be, if you remember from the beginning, like in the introduction, this one should be FTC. It stands for Fahrenheit to Celsius. We're going to be doing abbreviations, so it'll not be too much. Okay, now the next one should be PTK, pounds to kilograms. Next one, liters to gallons, LTG. Another one, NTF, meters to feet. Last one, KTM, kilometers to miles. Okay, so now let us design. This one, I'm just gonna make like a type of theme. Blue steel, okay. So, it should be like this. This one should be in the middle, and it should, let's name it something. So it should be liters to gallons. So let's name this L. Put your amount of liters here. Okay, now over here it'll say it'll say, you know what, wait, this is text input, it should be a label. Why? Okay, this one should be gallons, just G, and it should say, do a space, and then do another space. No, do a space, and then do gallons. You know what, don't do anything on this one, because we're gonna do that later about this, and yeah. So now that one screen is done, I mean, you can also add like another one below that says put your amount of gallons here, and then it'll say convert into liters if you want to do that, but let's just do it like this just for time's sake. And yeah, so we just press this, and then we just copied it to a screen. Feet to Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's put this. Where's it? There it is. Okay. Put your amount of liters here. No, it should say F, and put your amount of. Put your Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Put your temperature in Fahrenheit, not Fahrenheit. Temperature in Fahrenheit. Yes. This is so hard, like making everything measured. Okay, so now let's go back and then put it, copy onto here. Label it C, and yeah. Now, okay, now that we're done with that, now let's do the code. So in the beginning, let's just put 5 on events. Okay, now go through all of the screens, and this one should be F for Fahrenheit, and then next one, kilometers. Okay, instead of click, do input. Now let's just open up some Google tabs and let's go to the first one we should do should be Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's just search up Fahrenheit. Yes. So yeah, 32. What's the formula? It should be something minus 32 times 509. Okay, so let's do that. Set text C and then plus. Okay, but over here do quotes and do Celsius, degrees Celsius. Okay, what was formula again? Okay, it was that. From this one, which is F. Okay, now let's check. We forgot to do the home screen. There should be about 5 buttons. So that's 90. Okay, so the length of each, the height of each one should be 90. Just F2C button. Okay, now let's go into code and then let's do that again. And we forgot to do the code for that. Okay. Okay, now we can get to checking this Fahrenheit to Celsius one. 0. Let's check. Yeah, this just doesn't round it out. This one rounds it out. Google rounds it out, but anyways, this is close. So, but there's something wrong. There's something weird. It's because it just goes down. I don't think you know what I mean, but I'm just gonna do this before I go there, because I want everything to be neat and orderly. Okay, now let's go there. Let's make this a bit bigger. and then larger. Now let us check. Yeah, now it is good. Okay, so now let's go and change this to, what's the next one? Kilometers to miles. For approximate result, divide the length value by 1.609. Okay, so we just, that's easy. So we just go over here, and then we do what's M? Miles, yes. And then we do plus, and then miles. But before that, we just do that by 1.609. And we have to do a get text. Where's that? There it is. Okay, now let's check that. Zero miles. No, let's try one. 1 mile, 1.609. 1.609. Oh, we have to divide. We have to divide, not multiply. Let's just do show text. Then we just do put that. And yes. Plus kilometers to miles. 1. And it should say all of that mess. Let's go back. And do the same thing. It'll, yeah, we already checked it out. Now it'll say all that mess. Okay, anyways, now let's do liters to grams. Let's put that here. Not grams, but gallons. For approximate result, divide the volume value by 3.785. Okay. Let's go. Set text. G. Where's G? So G. Okay, there it is. And we should do plus gallons. What division? What was it? 3.785? Yes, 3.785. 3.785. Get text. It can be get number too. But I want it to be get number. Nothing, there's no change in that, but I just want it to be like this. And now let us check. But let's see. 1, then it'll say that. 1. NaN gallons. What? Huh? Get number. Oh. We've got to do that. And I made a mistake on the thing. On the lettering. KI. Zero 0.26420078926023778. Okay, I know. Let's just. Yep, it matches. Anyways, so now let us go back and then do meters to feet. And we have to multiply the length value by 3.281. Okay, now let's go back. Now, where's that iron? Fe, which stands for iron in the element table, periodic table, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so now let's do FET. Now it'll say, what was it again? Times something by, yeah, 3.281. 3.281. Okay, now let's go do get text, get number, mind me, and we'll do M. Where's that M? Yes, M. And now let us check. There's the feet. 3.281. 3.28, 3.28084. Anyways, it matches kind of. But let us go back into the thing and do some changes. Yes, that big. Now the final one, pounds to kilograms. Pounds to kilograms. Okay. For an approximate result, divide the mass value by 2.05. 2.05. Let's go and do what it said for us to do. But first, you must do this. Kilograms. Okay, now it'll say divide the mass value. Okay. By 2.205. Yes, 2.205. And 2.205. And let's do get text. P, set text K, and now it will be done. Our goal and it is approximate, so that is okay. It'll say all that gibbery mess. I'm gonna try to read them. It'll say 0.4535147392290249. Okay, that's a whole lot of number, but we must fit all them out. I mean, who cares as long as you're getting the amount? You can just round it out and then you'll just use it for your daily purposes. And yeah. So now we are done with our multi-purpose calculator. Or the AshuCodeZ. Anyways, so yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.